Today I'm gonna take you to Bagicha, and it's not easy to find wild mushroom, but I'm gonna surely show you that. Come with me.
We all love to have cute little garden in our home, garden or bagicha, where flowers bloom, plants beautify, trees dance and greenery calls. Something similar this place bagicha is.
The walkway to this place is more hidden.
And this walkway is full of oak trees. Whenever I come here,
A slip.
I always like, रास्ता कहाँ है, कहाँ से उतरना है,
हम लोग ढूंढ ही लेते हैं तब भी.
मिल जाता है.
This place is on the way of Chamba and Dhanolti road, and this place is called Bhataghat.
Even I came to know about this place last year only. Credit goes to my friend. He took me here for the very first time last year, and I felt great to be here.
It's lovely here.
Every time I feel great.
Yeah.
This walkway is quite dark in some places where it is very possible to see wild chicken. Though Bagicha is only 1 or 2 kilometers below from the main road of Mussoorie-Chamba route. Still, it is far from the noise of traffic and town. That is the reason Bagicha is a good spot for bird watching. Sounds of birds chirping is the biggest pleasure in this place. In the month of February to April, you will see this forest is getting red with Buras trees. Buras is a state symbol tree of Uttarakhand and its scientific name is rhododendron. One can have a splendid day here. Play any outdoor game. The ground is huge. Read your favorite book under the trees. Cook food together and spend time with your loved ones. A complete picnic spot, not only close to the nature, but entirely into the nature.
Bagicha is the most attractive and scenic picnic spot in Mussoorie. I'm very much sure that most of the tourists don't know about this place, even some of the locals also. I often see the local boys gang playing cricket here. और ये हरियाली देख रहे हैं आप, हमेशा ही ऐसी रहती है.
So after stepping in Bagicha, there are 6 trees, and this is the best thing I like because it's kind of a grass boulevard. There are 6 trees in Bagicha, and Bagicha है, कुछ ना कुछ तो होना ही चाहिए. I found something for you. I'll show you some snow white mushroom. Snow white and it's huge also. और साथ ही साथ इसका बड़ा भाई भी मिला है हमें आज ये. All around here, उधर भी है. Oh, a huge one.
Oh my goodness, it's like an umbrella.
और बारिश में शायद इसके नीचे अपने आपको फ्रॉग बचा सकता है, इतना बड़ा है.
बेशक.
It's like an umbrella, yeah.
If you come here in monsoon like we came, wild umbrellas will be treat to your eyes. This wild mushroom looks like they are waiting for someone in the rain with the shade.
So friends, today we are done with our vlog. बगीचा का हमारा vlog
आज यहीं पे समाप्त होता है.
ओवर होता है.
And I really miss our friend Shahid.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't come today.
Yeah.
Let's come back.
Yeah.
And it's time to go back home. Bye bye everyone. See ya.